because you think about I'm making mistake. So friends, if you're thinking about I'm not able to speak English, so yes friends, you are right, because you are not taking any efforts for speaking, you are not doing any good for speaking. Okay, because you just only thinking about my grammar, my pronunciation, my accent, and everything not good at all, so how I can speak? So yeah, you are right. Okay, so now friends, first thing, I welcome all of you in my YouTube channel Learnify today. So friends, now I'm just kidding with you because this is not right. If you're thinking like this, please sorry for that, because you are able to speak and you can definitely speak English language one day. But first need, you must have to follow something important for speaking. Okay, which is I'm going to tell you in that particular video. If you think about uh, I'm told you any wrong words, so please sorry for that, and I'm still apologize with you. And one thing I would share with you. Okay, so now friends, how you can speak and how you can learn English. So now first you must have to do practice every single day. This is first aspect of learning English language, and many people think that how I can do it, because they don't have partner, they don't have proper knowledge, they don't have proper time for doing this work. So this is your problem, but you must have to deal with this problem, because many people think if someone can speak, then yeah, I can speak. So yeah, you are right, and I think you are on the way, because you thinking about I'm learning English language. So yes, and one thing I would like to share with you in that particular video, because many people think that fluency it is called about speak with very fast way. So one thing, please clear in your mind, because I want to you clear in your mind, fluency it is not just about speaking like a very fast way. This called about fluency. If you think about fluency, it means speaking very fast, like a flow. No, okay, so please forget. And yeah, if you think about you can't able to speak, so please, you are able to speak, but you must have to search your reason, and you must have to, okay, search your perfect way, which way you can learn, you can use for speaking. Okay, so I hope you get it, and I hope you understand everything, because many people think how I can do my practice, how I can speak. So first, you are teacher, you are student, you must have to teach yourself, you must have to learn with yourself. This is my line, okay, which I'm using for learning English language, because I'm same like you, I'm a learner, I'm alone for speaking, and I'm using this way. Even I used to learn this way. When I started my journey, I used to do this way for speaking, for doing English practice, and even today nowadays, and I think, I will use this way. Okay, because I don't have so much, like I can say uh, opportunity, and I can say facility for joining conversation, for like a, exploring new things, because I have circumstances, because I don't know. Yeah, I don't know, but I'm still learning with you. If you helping me, one day I will speak with fluently, and I hope you will learn English with me. Okay, and if you're thinking about how you can speak, how you can get fluency in this language, so first you have to need learn basic grammar. Okay, then start making small sentences and learning English vocabulary. And if you think about how we can learn English vocabulary, because without vocabulary, without enough vocabulary, we are unable to speak, we are unable to um, explaining things. Okay, so you must have to achieve commands on that particular things, okay, which I shared with you. And friends, one thing, I think it is need for know you, because many people think that background it is uh, you know important so much. But I want to clear background, it is not so important for speaking, for doing any work, not just like speaking and learning English, for doing any word, for doing any work. And if you are living in a village area, and if you are living any city, it is not so important, because only one thing which I consider for speaking, for learning, you have to only focus about your goal. You have to focus only, you must have to focus only your goal, not other thing. If you think about, I don't get time, I don't have proper time to do this work, that work, I have responsibility, I have children, I have work, I have office, I have college work, you know, any kind of work. If you think like this, I don't have proper time, so you are making excuse, and making excuse, I think it is not good for learners. It is very bad, and I can say it is very harmful for speaking, for student life. Okay, so please don't make any excuse. And if you are still making, so you are doing useless things. There is no need for doing. And one thing, you should focus only about your speaking and only about your goal. If you want to achieve, then yeah, you can achieve. Okay. And one thing, I don't want you take years and years for speaking. I want to you learn English very fast, like 2 and 3 months. Okay. So, and if I talk about myself, in my case, I'm taking so much time because I'm not much consistent about this language. And that's why I'm not fluent, that's why I'm still learning, I'm still beginner. And I don't want to you take much time for speaking. I want you learn fast way. Okay, that's why please, you must have to focus your learning. Okay, I hope you clear everything, because without knowing, it is not possible to do everything. Okay, so friends, my last word for you, if you think about getting fluency, it is very difficult. No friends, everyone can do, and everyone can anywhere do it. Okay, so you can do it, and yeah, you will speak, you will get fluency one day. So I hope this is enough for today, and this is enough for me today, because I have my work, already. Okay, so it is not need to tell you. So we'll meet till the next video. Have a nice day. Till then, take care. Bye bye.